readers, welcome back to our channel. So we are back again with 5 book recommendations that we are having in this particular genre. So you are on this channel where we discuss books, we learn new things and share our love for reading. So we are here today to discuss about 5 different books which is from a genre which is generally confused with biographies. So what we are having today is a memoir. What is meant by memoir? Memoir is a part of a person's life. They are not telling you about the entire life story, about how a person is born, about how he or she is brought up and how they are carrying it on. But in this particular type of writing, they are talking about a part of their life or a stance from their lifetimes which impacted them so much that they changed the route of their lives, or which was very important from their own perspectives. So they are sharing their own experiences through writing. Okay, so what are the 5 top recommendations which I feel that there can be in a memoirs in case you are looking for a new genre to start with, or you are interested in these famous people's life, or do you want to learn something new? These 5 books, it can be a resort to learn things and to feel what the author is feeling. So the first book that I would recommend is Eat, Pray and Love by Elizabeth Gilbert. What she is actually telling you in this book is that she is a person who was very tired and who was very exhausted from her life. She had a bad marriage, she had a bad job, and she suffered from a bad divorce, and there was everything negative around her. So what she did, she sold out most of her possessions, she collected the money and went out for a travel in 3 places. That is, first was Italy, where she ate and she threw out her frustrations and the negativities in food. Then she came to India and she prayed a lot. She developed a self-satisfaction in her journey. She forgave those people who she thought were making her life miserable, and she moved on in her life. And then she went to Indonesia, Bali, where she had so much partying and she gave a self-soothing experience to herself and fall in love again. So this is what she did to overcome her hardship, and she tells you how it can be adopted in your own lives and how you can overcome the difficulties that you are facing. So this particular book, that is Eat, Pray and Love, is really wonderfully written, and this book is a must-read book where if you want to learn something to come up with your bad thoughts and negative circumstances. Then moving on to the second book that I would recommend you is a book, Geisha, a memoir of a geisha by Arthur Golden. So again, this is again a book of a girl, a little girl, and how she grew up from that little girl to a matured woman and the phases that she saw. This book encompasses the feeling of a person who is forced into doing something which they were not aware of it at all, and then who grew into loving it and made it a profession and made out so much from that profession that they could learn something for their own life as well as they can inspire people. So this is a book which will help you to understand the feeling of a person who is just 9 years old, to how they coped up and how the particular scenario is there. So this book revolves around the culture of Japan. My review for this book is that this is a must-read book and you should go for it. For the more details about this book, you can check on the link in the I button above as well as the link in the description box below, so that you know more about this book too. Then moving on to the third recommendation is Becoming by Michelle Obama. So Michelle Obama is not a new name for everyone. So this is a book written by the First Lady of America, and this book inspires you to fight for what you want and to be a person that you want to be. So being a black girl with a disadvantage in a country like America, she moved from to being a first lady of that particular country, the first black woman to be the First Lady of America. So that is quite a great achievement. So how she moved her life from the very childhood to her adulthood, and how she made a decision regarding her career. In spite of having such a wonderful education, she chose to give up the career of a lawyer and go for a full support system to Mr. Barack Obama. And in addition to being the first lady, in addition to being a wife, in addition to being a mother, how she was holding her responsibility towards society from which she has taken so much and whom she wanted to return the favor. So this is again a wonderful story, and this is a memoir that will help you to learn many new things about how to cope up with the environment which is quite different from yours. So moving on with the fourth one, we have the Annie Frank diary. So you know it quite well. It's quite a common book which is known pretty well among the people. It was also a part of school curriculum. So I think most of you are aware of it, but what is particularly in this book is that will interest you is it is a diary of a little girl who is captured in an attic and is trying to save herself from the atrocities outside the world. The way she keeps herself a positive attitude in spite of the negative circumstances is something that we can learn from this book. So this book contains the experiences of how a family stuck out and what were the very extreme circumstances that they were going through, and these will also help you to fight the current situation that we are in. We are also stuck in our houses. No, it is not that short as an attic. Yeah, you have a much better liberty than her, but yes, this will help us fight these circumstances that we are in today, and this will surely give you a courage to fight out any circumstances that you are in. So this is a diary by a small girl, by a little girl, but this diary actually has so much of emotions and so much of wisdom in it that we should all learn from it. So the next book that I would recommend in this spree is I Am Malala by Malala Yousafzai, and this book is also a well-known book among every reader. So here what we have in this book is there are 5 parts which starts from the very basic journey of her life, that how happy they were in their place, but later on as Taliban covered up their place and they forbade girls to attend school and to learn, how she stood up against them and what are the circumstances she was working in and how she was very motivated and determined to go to school and to learn new things. Then their story of their entire family, how they supported each other and how she took those 3 bullets along with her friends to stand up for the cause, and how she was saved and to stand up again for her cause, and how today she is prospering through it. So this is the way this book is designed and covered in 5 parts, and this is the story which will inspire every person out there to stand up for what they believe and what they want to do in their life. So these are the 5 memoirs that I will recommend in today's video. One thing that you might have noticed in this is there are 5 stories written about 5 different women in their own circumstances and standing up and fighting their own circumstances, for their beliefs, for their own peace of mind, for their own standings. So this is a specific video which took the 5 special memoirs by 5 special women. So these are the stories which are revolving around the lives of the women, how they are standing up for their own peace, for their own choices, for their own education and for their own lives, and how they are making decisions in their lives. So these stories are not only specified to women, but everyone can read them. But yes, women should definitely go for these 5 books, and these 5 books will inspire you. They will give you a thing to think about, a food for your thoughts, and they will also give you a learning with each of the story moving on. So I guess this is where I will wind up the video, and as usual, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. If you have already read this book, do mention in the comment section, and if you have not yet read this book, order them quickly and then mention in the comment section whether you like them or not, what are your reviews and how you want to analyze the situation they were in. And also, if in case you want any specific book to be reviewed, do not forget to mention in the comment section. I will read that for sure and review it for you. Thank you so much for being with me. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy reading.